Desk. I keep my books and laptop on the desk. Chair. This chair is very comfortable for long working hours. Computer. She uses a computer to complete her office tasks. Laptop. I take my laptop to meetings for taking notes. Keyboard. The keyboard stopped working, so I bought a new one. Mouse. He clicked on the file using the mouse. Monitor. The monitor shows a clear picture with bright colors. Printer. We printed the contract using the office printer. Scanner. She scanned the documents and sent them by email. Fax machine. The company still uses a fax machine for legal papers. Telephone. I called the client on the office telephone. Headset. He wore a headset during the online meeting. Webcam. The teacher used a webcam for the virtual class. Notebook. She writes important notes in her notebook. Notepad. I always keep a notepad on my desk for quick notes. Sticky notes. He left a reminder on the fridge with sticky notes. Pen. I signed the agreement with a blue pen. Pencil. The student drew a diagram with a pencil. Highlighter. She used a yellow highlighter to mark key points. Marker. He wrote the title on the board with a marker. Eraser. The child erased the wrong answer with an eraser. Sharpener. I need a sharpener because my pencil is blunt. Stapler. The teacher stapled the papers together with a stapler. Paper clips. She used paper clips to hold the documents. Binder clips. The binder clips kept the large file together. Folder. He placed the reports in a blue folder. File. The secretary arranged all the files alphabetically. Filing cabinet. The contracts are stored in the filing cabinet. Shelf. The books are neatly arranged on the shelf. Whiteboard. The manager explained the plan on the whiteboard. Whiteboard eraser. He cleaned the board with a whiteboard eraser. Pushpin. She pinned the calendar on the wall with a pushpin. Calendar. The meeting date is marked on the calendar. Envelope. He put the letter inside the envelope. Stamp. The letter needs a stamp before posting. Ink. The pen ran out of ink while writing. Paper. He folded the paper into a small note. Report. The manager reviewed the monthly report. Document. She signed the legal document yesterday. Letterhead. The official letter was printed on company letterhead. Invoice. The supplier sent us the invoice for payment. Receipt. He kept the receipt after buying the laptop. Minutes. The secretary wrote the minutes of the meeting. Conference room. The team gathered in the conference room. Projector. They used a projector to show the slides. Speakerphone. We talked to the remote team using a speakerphone. Microphone. The singer tested the microphone before the show. Router. The router provides internet for the whole office. USB drive. He saved the files on a USB drive. External hard drive. The backup is stored on an external hard drive. Fax. The lawyer sent the signed contract by fax. Monitor stand. She adjusted the monitor stand for better height. Desk lamp. I use a desk lamp for late-night study. Trash can. Throw the waste paper into the trash can. Shredder. The shredder destroyed the old confidential files. Memo. The manager sent a memo to all employees. Office supply. Pens and papers are basic office supplies. Coffee machine. The office has a coffee machine in the kitchen. Water cooler. Everyone drinks from the water cooler in summer. Refrigerator. We keep our lunch in the office refrigerator. Chair mat. He placed a chair mat under his office chair. Desk organizer. The desk organizer keeps everything in order. Pen holder. The pen holder is full of colorful pens. Nameplate. Her nameplate is displayed on the office door.